Well, a very good morning, ladies and gents, and what a freezing morning it is, but that ain't going to stop us doing videos here at the Oldtimer Centre with a beautiful Mercedes-Benz. So the GLC was introduced in 2015. I'm very proud to say this is a December 15, so one of the first of them, but it's one of the best of them. It's the 250d. What that means is it's got the larger larger turbo diesel engine. Got to be careful saying that. It is metallic grey with black leather interior, and it absolutely has it all. Alloys, lane change departure, heads-up display, panoramic roof, and it's even had a brand spanking new Apple CarPlay widescreen monitor put inside. It integrates perfectly. It's just like I'm actually driving at the moment a newer GLE, almost exactly the same. So, look, this is a car. It's been traded in at a Mercedes-Benz dealership recently on a brand new vehicle. So we're talking about people who've got a bit of money, look after their cars, either at the dealership or at a prestige European car mechanic. But I think this car's actually had about 60% of the services at Mercedes and about 40 at European car specialist. Under the bonnet is immaculate. The alloy wheels are unmarked. The Continental tyres are 20-inch wheels, unmarked. Fold-down rear seats, unmarked. It's got the parcel tray cover. I've opened it all up. I am going to show you around the car, but let's talk more about these fabulous options that this car has got. The dual zone climate air, the navigator, the DVD. Well, actually, it might not be DVD. It's probably more Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth streaming. The colour combination is by far the best. I was just saying, we sold my girlfriend's one of these, which was about 2 years newer. We got 40 grand for it about a year and a half or 2 years ago. So this is a really good time to buy. It's still very, very low kilometres for its age. Under the bonnet is beautiful. Let me just put my microphone and stuff down. What a day. It might be freezing, but it's beautiful. So this car has travelled, 1 second, automatic stop start. We'll start it up. 98. So most people decide just under 100,000 Ks to trade their lovely car in. And why not? On the side, on the right where the stalk is, it has every single option, whether that's your 360-degree camera button, your heads-up display, your lane assistance. It's got it all. The Oldtimer Centre, it's a bit glary, sorry, is the major sponsor of the Mercedes Car Club in New South Wales. That says a lot. We do all their technical days and special events and, drive days and things like that. And we're the platinum sponsor of the Sydney German Auto Fest car show. So we want you to be confident that we're not just picking cars out of an auction list. We're buying cars that were traded in, and even the Mercedes dealer puts it into the workshop, checks it over and says, that's good enough to sell to Richard and Christian. We do the PPSR check. We make sure there's no hail damage, no previous written off status, and we pay for all of our cars so there's clear title. We've got a beautiful indoor showroom at 31 Antoine Street in Rydalmere. And you can see here we're just down near the Parramatta River. It is absolutely beautiful. We won the local business award in 21, featured on Wheeler Dealers on the Discovery Channel in 14 and 24. That's their 20-year anniversary. You can hear the motor sounds absolutely pristine. We'll get a bit of light, even though I've got my gloves on. Great overall car. Christian's driven it the last couple of days. He said it's perfect. And you can see here, look at that leather. Second to none. I mean, 100,000 Ks for a Mercedes, as we all know, is nothing. And the inside is just gorgeous. There's that lovely widescreen. We're going to go through that in a minute. You can see everything else here is immaculate. We'll turn it off. You got Bluetooth on the steering wheel, voice activation, cruise control, keyless start, and the cruise control is the distance radar cruise. It's very important. It's definitely an eastern suburbs car. It's been in Randwick. for the majority of its second servicing. Tyres look good. You can even lock up your under storage compartment there. You've even got a button there that pushes those seats forward so you don't have to lean in. Extra charging point if you want to put a fridge. And your reverse camera, front camera, side cameras. The GLC is a great all-wheel drive. Sits on the road beautifully. It's a great size. It's got a lot of headroom, leg room, power. Overall, a bloody good car. That's a great buy, in my opinion. That's not a lot of money. There's that Radar Cruise, the big emblem. Let's get in and wind the windows up and hear just how quiet these are when you're inside. As long as no kids are jibber-jabbering. Okay, so all the wood and everything here is lovely. Automatic stop-start feature. The mouse is working. And there's that lovely Apple CarPlay and so forth. You can mirror everything, DVDs, videos and whatever. See, it's all integrated. Photo of your Mercedes. Very nice and quiet indeed. There's those options that I was telling you about. Electric chairs, lumbar support. Actually, it was built in November 15. It just means that in Europe, when everyone goes on their holidays, when they get back, the next year's model year is built. So this is an MY16. So we'd love to meet you. Please call us, 95699999. Christian or I would love to see you at 29 Antoine Street. Talk to us about an insurance quote, a transport quote, extended warranties. We give you a 1-year extended warranty on this beautiful car. That back left tyre is a bit worn on the edge, so you never know. We might need to fix that. Look at that. Excuse the rubbish in the car park again. It's a bloody disgrace every day here. Anyway, we'll see you soon, guys.